Hey, what's up, guys? So we're doing something a little bit different today. Kind of showing you some behind the scenes of what we do on a regular day basis. So, of course, right now it's a little bit different because of COVID. So a lot of churches are doing drive-in services and concerts and all that different kind of stuff. So today I'm at Friendship West Baptist Church, and basically what we're doing is I just brought some of the LED wall panels so we can check the signal. This is Friendship West AV Director Snoop Brown. So basically what we're doing is we're coming in ahead of time to make sure that I can actually receive signal from his port and all that kind of stuff. So as we can see, and of course it's just one panel, and I don't have it configured for the one panel, but we see that we have signal, so that's the biggest thing. And then after that, when we come in on Saturday or whatever, we're going to set it up and do 3 screens across the parking lot, 3 16 by 9 screens across the parking lot, and they'll be able to do their service. So all right, so now we see that we have signal or whatever. So now the biggest thing is making sure that we can get audio to our transmitter to put in everybody's cars and all that kind of stuff. So right now we have make sure you guys can see, we have a Blackmagic SDI. It's an analog 4K. So basically what that's going to do is split up the audio signal for us so we can make sure that we can go to our transmitter and put it into their cars and all that. So you know, like I said, and these are our panels, and this is the back of our panels. You have basically Cat5, but it's a different kind of connection that we use, and then PowerCon power. So that's how we're set up right now. And like I said, we just have one panel pulled out just to make sure that we're receiving signal. If we're receiving signal, of course we can manipulate it at that point and make it fit the size of the screen and all that kind of stuff. So that's a quick update. It hasn't been that long, but between getting the actual video there, now the video is there, now we got to make sure we have audio. After we have audio, we're ready to go. I mean, we can do it other kind of ways too, but this is going to be the easiest way since SDI is already since I'm already running SDI into the building, and it's a long run. So let me see if I can show you guys. Well, the door might lock behind me, so let's just go right here. And I'm pretty sure you can't tell from how long that is, but we have to make it all the way out to the parking lots way out there. So as of right now, it's looking like it's probably going to be like 500 feet or something like that. So we have to get ready for that run, which it won't be bad because all our SDIs are on spools. So with them being on spools, of course it's way easier. And of course we won't be running what am I trying to say? Our cable ramps for that long. We'll just basically go over the parking lot and stuff like that, where people are going to be driving. So, all right, what's up, guys? We're back, and so we still have signal, but our biggest issue, we were trying to get audio on the SDI outputs too. So what we had to do is go off into the, I don't know if you guys can see that, go off into the decimator, and from there we split the signal so I can get playing video signal as far as converting the resolution and all that kind of stuff, and then so we can get audio outside. So the people that don't have this, that's doing video, you might want to get it. It can save lives. So, all right, we out. We got Soup again from Crenshaw West, and we got everything going. So now when we load in on
how they split the audio though.
How do they split the audio? I'm talking about through the decimator.
How do they split it from the decimator?
What you talking about?
Into the Blackmagic.
Oh, yeah. So my bad. I did leave out a step for y'all. So after you come out of the decimator, we went off into the Blackmagic SDI to analog 4K converter, and then we came out of there with a 1/4 inch to we're just going to a studio monitor right now just to make sure that we got signal. But so like I said, we came out of the decimator SDI into the converter SDI and came out of the converter analog 1/4 inch to the studio monitor. And I did leave that step out for you guys. So luckily Snoop told you that, because I totally forgot. I was just thinking that's man. And then plus also for some weird reason we were getting something a little funny video wise, so we had to come out for my LED walls. We had to come out, instead of SDI, we had to come out HDMI into my video processor for my walls. So that's the setup for this, and like I said, it's going now, and you guys can see that it's going. So the biggest thing is we like to get in early enough to where when we have issues like this where, you know, we're not seeing signal or sending signal in some kind of way, we can have time to fix it. So that's the biggest thing. So we came in, today is Tuesday, and we're actually loading in on Saturday. So it definitely gives us enough time to where if something wasn't fixable and we had to get something else or whatever, we had time. So all right, we out. All right, guys, we're out here today. This is one of the other days of setup. We're loading in. So today the walls will actually go up, and right now we got Mike laying out cable ramps so we can get SDI all the way up there, which is probably, like you said before, over 500 feet. And so we have a wall on that side, a wall over here, then we have a wall right there. So we're getting it up. I'm gonna call you in just a minute and send you and show you guys the next step after we get everything going. All right. You can barely see me. It's dark on this side where I am. I'm sitting on a truck. It's getting late, and I'm filling up the water barrels. We pretty much have the walls up. I'm filling up the water barrels so you know, we can have some security on holding them down and holding them in place. So
I get back over there, because it's on the other side of the parking lot, I kind of show you guys where we are. My intention was to do a time lapse, but I forgot the camera. So, and I could have did it with my phone, but my phone was dying. So, just wanted to let you guys know, kind of keep you updated. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do this with different little events. Well, I say little different events, so you guys can kind of see the process. So, talk to you in a minute as soon as I get over there. All right. So this is one of the walls. I got a wall down there. Another wall on the outside of the side. So we're almost done. We'll get them up in the air and get them going. I'll show you guys and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so what we're doing now, we're just trying to program the screens and make sure that each screen has signal. Like I said, this is the first screen. That's going to be the second screen. The third screen is on the other side. But the first one is up. We also putting away cases and all that kind of stuff. This is the parking lot. The drive-up service. It's a pretty big parking lot. It goes back further than what you see. So we're almost done. Then we'll be back here 6:30 in the morning to make sure we go ahead and raise the screens up and that we're good and ready to go for this Sunday service. So. All right, we're done setting up. So these are the screens. We got signal. And, we got signal on all the screens. We'll raise them up in the morning. We'll be ready to go. So it's just ready to go home. All right. Hey, what's up guys? This is Jason with SoundDesignStudio.net and I'm here. I guess I would be at the end of my video by now, but thank you for tuning in, just kind of watching how we do things with some of our load-ins. Like I said, this is you know, a small, well, I say a small production, but it would be, I mean, it's reaching thousands of people, so it's kind of a large production / small for us. But this is just kind of showing you in our world what we do since the whole, well, the corona thing is not going away, but since people are trying to do something outside the box or whatever, to give some sense of normalcy. But at this point in time, you've already looked at the beginning of the video and we've kind of showed you how we do set up with our video walls and all that different kind of stuff. So like I said, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. This is going to be something new and different for our channel. We're going to add this where we're going to, with productions, we're going to kind of go off into showing you, you know, the different productions and behind the scenes and all that different kind of stuff. So the people that don't get to do a lot of productions. Get to see what happens and what we do and the things that have to happen to make it happen. So even though this is kind of small from our end, this is still a pretty big event because it's going to be thousands of people. So thank you guys again for tuning in, and please make sure you hit that bell right there, all right? And the subscribe button, because you know I definitely want you guys to come back, and I definitely want to consider you sound design, part of sound design friends and everything. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be some great behind the scene footage of a lot of good productions, and I think you'll enjoy it. And I think you know, some people may even, well, I'm not gonna say may, but some people will learn some things from it and all that different kind of stuff. So with that being said, I'll see you guys later. And again, this has been Jason, sounddesignstudio.net. Make sure you log on, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you later. Peace.